Delayed as the fielder. And they come back for two. There's that intent, finally. And fortune favours the brave. Full in length, big shout. Not out, says Michael Goff. They're thinking about a review.
Original decision not out. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting, can make the signal.
That is a fantastic review by the Dutch.
He goes, LBW Kingma.
There he is. There he goes. First shot in anger. Don't think it's going to go all the way. Third is getting around it. Well, caressed through the offside. Too much width. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, square of the wicket. Left-handers love it there, and all of a sudden, streaky. Gonna beat third as well. It's
in the air, over the keeper, and one bounce for four. Well, 50 for Fakhar Zaman, not in the most orthodox way. Crunch down the ground for four. So before that boundary,
out in the middle.
Short again from Aryan Dutt. Pulled out towards deep backward square leg. Little pick up now from him in the same area. But Fakhar Zaman's response. Barber's switched to a cap. Pulled away. A lot of work for Baresi at long on, and he misfields. Slower ball. It's gone a long way up, and it's gone a long way back. Slog sweep from Baba, and six more in the same area that Fakhar Zaman hit that six in the previous over. It's gone a long way up that from Babar Azam. Mid-off is getting under it and takes the catch. Tom Cooper. And at last, the Netherlands have the breakthrough.
It's good captaincy, kept mid-off, inside the ring. Babar Azam played well for a 74.
Century, I should say. Goes over mid-off. One bounce. There it is. The 7th one-day international 100 for Fakhar Zaman. He's gone past 2,500 one-day international runs in this innings. He's had some fortune. He was dropped before he reached 50. All round the ground. Oh, and that's delicate. We saw power down the ground earlier in the... Heaved out to deep backward square leg. That should be four.
Looks leg side, rightly so. It's a big bound. He should get back for a couple. Scott Edwards had his chance. That's gone. That's gone. Excellent in the deep. Brilliant work in the deep.
But that really was one.
Shuffles across for his man. Goes high, goes long, and goes all the way.
Third six of the innings. Rizwan's first. He loves a slog sweep, does Mohammad Rizwan. Big shout for LBW, and the finger goes up. Bazdilada strikes. Mohammad Rizwan, he's going to have a chat with Kushtil, and in fact, he's decided.
Waiting on ball tracking. Ball tracking coming up. Original decision out. Pitching outside off. Impact in line. Wickets, umpire's call.
Doesn't get many wrong. Michael Goff, according to ball tracking, that was clipping the leg stump. Another low score for Rizwan in one-day internationals. He's for... That's going to be four. There's no point in chasing that, Wesley Baresi. Mid-off and mid-on up in the circle. The idea was... Straight away, he's drilled down the ground for... Slower ball from Kingma, and it's gone over extra cover for four. Slower ball, and I think it's gone all the way for six. Pulled away by Kushtil, and this is a disaster. powered down towards long on by Kushdil and out. It's a really good catch that by Tom Cooper, because that was hit hard. It was a flat hit as well. Oh, Beamer. It's gone for 4, but will it be 6? The free hit. Cracked out towards deep mid-wicket and all the way for 6. Oh, that was a costly error.
Slow ball bumper, should be taken, is taken, easy catch. Viv Kingma, third inside the ring, and once again, Baz the Layla.
Handwas falls for 4.
Gives herself width, what a lovely bit of improvisation. Down to the deep third rope. Pringle's busy. Slapped, it's that man Pringle, not going to cut it off. Another boundary. Last. Improvisation, wonderful, wonderful batsmanship. Chopped away, brilliant, poor bowling. Shuffles across. Gets it well enough, straight down. Well, that is exceptional bowling from Baz the Layla today. Final over, just 7 from it. And brilliant figures. Baz the Layla, 2 for 42. Really well in this contest for Pakistan. They played nicely after winning the toss. Pakistan have found another star in the making. Fakhar played well for his 100, 109 and a run of ball. Inam never really got going.
And that cost the Netherlands. Michael Goff says, let's play.
Guys, let's play.
Oh, and dropped first ball. It was a difficult chance. I think that's Imam, is it, in the covers? Oh, well bowled. Big shout for LBW, and that's out.
Too quick for it. Max O'Dowd's gone for a duck. Apologies, 1.
And that's what Vikramjit Singh does so well. Square the wicket. Edged. And through the slips for... Bowled! The off stump, cartwheeling out of the ground. Barazi goes. Harris Rouse.
Barazi departs. He's gone for 2. Oh.
Glanced fine.
Little paddle around the corner. Should run away for 4-leg. Oh, what a beauty. I said he'd get a bit of turn and bounce. Bounces right over the pegs. He's nicked that as well. He's nicked that as well. I'm sure he's nicked it. Oh, Michael Goff says out. Baz the Layla says no nick.
Well, that's a beautifully timed shot down the ground by Tom Cooper. Well, whatever was in.
Cooper says enough, 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 enough. Let me put one in the stands.
Pitched up.
Whoa.
Great shot by Tommy Cooper.
It's a left-hander's day today. On the sweep, in the gap. Should pick up a couple. Gets them to 50. Well, Vikramjit Singh, it's been a little bit sluggish, but it's a half-century nonetheless. He'll get warm applause here in Rotterdam. Cooper. Good hit. Powerfully struck. Good footwork. Pulled away. Excellent from Tommy Cooper. Really, really good shot and a really good half-century. A welcome return to form for the right-hander from down under.
Inside the line.
Hoiked away. Good enough. Placement good. Beautiful hands. Brilliant timing.
Leading edge. This should be a very simple catch, and indeed it is. So the breakthrough comes for Pakistan. Babar Azam takes a very...
Tom Cooper departs for 65 or 54 balls. Beautifully played.
Oh, Chinese cut past leg stump. It's gone for 4.
Big appeal, and given by umpire Michael Goff. Went across the line.
Original decision out. Pitching outside off, impact in line, wickets hitting. Michael, you can stay with your decision of...
Well, I have to say, out for 65, his highest score in one-day internationals. Slog swept, and all the way for 6. And now sweeps fine. Edwards getting right across his stumps there. And then a hard reverse sweep. That'll be 4 more. That's... Oh, that's 4. That's gone away for... Bowled! Well, he's come back into the attack.
Nidamuduru's got to go for 15 from 21.
Well, it's going to go away for 4. Logan van Beek's found the gap, and he's found the boundary.
Well, shouldn't be. Misses! Should be an overthrow, and will be 50.
What about Scott Edwards? 43 balls for that 50.
Sounded good, looks good. Really, really good. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful shot. Scott Edwards. Needed a boundary. Won't get a boundary. Good catch in the deep. Not out of the screws. Logan van Beek looking to go big, looking to be a hero. Finds the man in the deep. Good safe hands and perishes.
Pitched up, that's at the pad. Nassim Shah. He has another, he has his third. It's full, straight, that ain't missing the stumps for my liking.
Slashed over extra cover. And it's gone for 4. Worked away by Edwards. And it's gone for 4. Kushtil with the misfield. Sloppy.
Excellent batting.
Flicked away down to fine leg for a single. And Pakistan win the game. Fakhar Zaman, 100 for him. Babar Azam